Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on antimalarial drug, that is quinine. So as you all know, quinine is the heterocycle. Okay, so quinine also is an important antimalarial drug, one of the important antimalarial drug, but nowadays its use is being declined due to the various side effects. Okay, so properties, uses, official preparation and brand names of quinine we are going to talk about. In exam there is no such question asked separately on the quinine, but once the question asked was explain any two antimalarial drug belonging to the quinoline heterocycle or which contains quinoline heterocycle. Now moving toward the properties of quinine. Properties of quinine are same as that we have seen in our earlier video of chloroquine. Same properties are there. So first is its solubility. It is soluble in water. So various salt forms are also available, which are official in pharmacopoeia as sulphate, bisulphate, dihydrochloride salts. So they can be prepared or formulated in the form of tablets and injections. It is white in color. It is white crystalline powder which is crystalline in nature. It is having bitter taste and it is odorless. It contains various alkaloids such as quinine, quinidine, cinchonidine. The alkaloids are quinine, quinidine, cinchonine and cinchonidine. So stability and storage, coming towards the quinine stability and storage, again it is same as that of chloroquine. It is light sensitive as that of chloroquine. Chloroquine was also light sensitive. So since it is light sensitive, it is to be stored in the light resistant container. So it is stored in airtight and light resistant containers. Why? Because it is light sensitive, it becomes yellow in color on exposure to light. Since its original color is what? It is a white crystalline powder. But if it gets exposed to the light, it becomes yellow in color, which is not desirable or it is not intentional. So we are supposed to protect it from the light. That's the reason we are storing it under light resistant container. Coming towards the uses of quinine, on which the question is mostly asked in the exam, that to write down the medicinal uses of quinine. So again the uses are almost similar to the chloroquine. Now how they are, we'll see one by one. So first, since as you all know it is a very famous and from ancient time we are using quinine as an antimalarial drug. So first and foremost use is what? It is used in the treatment of malaria. So quinine is used in the treatment of malaria, which is caused due to all the Plasmodium species such as Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malariae, ovale, falciparum, and it is used in combination with the primaquine. Primaquine, again it's an antimalarial. So quinine is used along with primaquine in combination for the treatment of malaria, which is caused due to the Plasmodium vivax specifically. So it is used specifically in the case of relapsing vivax malaria. That means relapsing, that means recurring malaria, which is caused due to the Plasmodium vivax. Again same, as only the difference is what is it is used in combination with primaquine, and chloroquine was not to be used in combination, it is to be used alone. So again chloroquine was also having this effect, that it was having schizonticidal effect. So schizons, as you all know, we have seen in our earlier very first video of classification of antimalarial. So before going to the classification, we have seen the life cycle of malarial parasite, right? In that life cycle we have seen sexual as well as asexual life cycle. So in erythrocytic form, which are schizons, okay, what were the forms like trophozoites, merozoites and these schizons. So it is having schizonticidal. Cidal means to kill. So it is having schizonticidal effect, that is to kill the schizonts. It is also used in the treatment of Plasmodium falciparum malaria. That means malaria caused due to Plasmodium falciparum, which is resistant to other drug like chloroquine. Chloroquine resistance cases में we are using quinine. So along with all these uses, what was the other use of chloroquine? It was used in treatment of autoimmune disorders like inflammatory disorders, were rheumatoid arthritis and lupus erythematosus. So here this quinine is also having analgesic as well as anti-inflammatory action, same as that of chloroquine, but quinine is not specifically mentioned in such autoimmune disorders treatment like chloroquine. And since nowadays quinine is mostly not used because of the reason that it is having various side effects which are not desirable for the human health, like deafness, etc. Such are the side effects. So other uses than malaria and inflammation are this babesiosis. What is this? Babesiosis. So babesiosis is also an malaria like parasite disease. That means malaria is caused due to what? It's a parasitic disease. That means it is caused due to Plasmodium species. Okay, so parasite disease. So it is also caused due to a eukaryotic parasite which is known by the name Babesia. So the disease name is babesiosis, Babesia parasite, which is actually a tick bite. It is also used in treatment of malaria which is during pregnancy, also used in treatment of or management of malaria in case of AIDS, that is HIV, and also used in management of severe malaria. Now we are going to see the official preparations of quinine. Now quinine, as we have seen in the properties, that it is official in the pharmacopoeia as sulphate form, bisulphate salt, dihydrochloride salt. So these are different salt forms of quinine. So quinine bisulphate tablet IP and BP and quinine sulphate tablet IP and BP. Sulphate bisulphate tablets IP and BP. Then quinine dihydrochloride tablet BPC. Quinine dihydrochloride injection IP and BP. Coming towards the some common famous brands of quinine. So the brand names of quinine are Cinchona, Quinil, Quinorsol 300, Quininga, Rescue, Quinolar, QST, QSM, Quinine. So these are different brands which are available in the market. Under these brands you will find the quinine formulations which are manufactured by different manufacturers. So with this we finish with the properties, uses, official preparation and brand names of quinine. So thank you.